Hey there, how's it going? Welcome. My name's Jeff, if we haven't yet met, and today I'm gonna do something kind of special on this channel. I'm gonna cook something, and I'm gonna use this butter that I just bought. I've never tried it before, but it's produced by VITL Farms. I decided to invest in the stock of VITL Farms. Now, this is not financial advice. I just like to disclose at the start of a video, if I'm talking about a product, that I'm actually a stockholder in this company. And to learn about it, I like to do like real tested research because, like Peter Lynch says, own what you know. And I think it makes you a better stockholder if you have some understanding of the business behind the stock. All right, so here I am with, I was gonna say a dozen, but when I went to the store, they didn't have any dozen of these VITL Farm, but they had an 18 pack. So here I am with an 18 pack of VITL Farm eggs, and I'm just gonna heat up the frying pan. Let's get started with this. The recipe I have here says to whisk the eggs in a bowl with salt, pepper, and cold water. So I'm gonna go with 2 eggs. You can use between 2 and 3 eggs for this recipe. And I'm going with 2. Now that's done, I'll just show you up close. I love these VITL Farm eggs just because, like, as you can see, they're really like rich, orangey yellow, and something about that deep color appeals to me. So 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cold water. So I'll put that in there. And then we've got salt and pepper to taste. So got a little pepper here, salt right here. So I'll put that in there. And then it just says to whisk the eggs in a bowl. So here we go. Heat a small saute pan on high. So I'm just gonna set this to high. This is an induction stovetop in case you haven't seen them. They operate using magnets. So this here doesn't actually get hot to the hand, but they use magnets here which interact with the bottom of this frying pan and create a very nice hot surface. 425. And I just hit start. And now it's heating this up. I'm just getting the butter here. This comes out of this. Again, not a sponsored video, but this is the butter. And I will pop that in there. There we go. One of the nice things about these induction stovetops is that they cook really even. There we go. Just don't need to even give it that much time. I'm going to toss a little bit of shredded cheese here. Got some green onions. And we are good to go. I cook them using this butter, and I just like to go out there into the world and try stuff out. Ultimately, the only thing that can set you apart as an investor, knowing what you're doing, understanding the companies you're investing in. And I think just doing real research, whether that's, you know, calling up the company and asking them questions and learning about their business, or buying the product like you see me doing here and trying it out. These are the only ways that we kind of first-hand knowledge. I just realized I hadn't tried the eggs. I was so hungry after I made that omelet that I started eating it right away. But I'm gonna start here just having a bite. That has a rich, textured, creamy, the butter was really good. Something about the butter, it was very rich, it was very creamy, and I think it made this omelet even better. I used a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and geez, the butter it was cooked in. I'm impressed by the VITL Farms butter. So I'm gonna use that in some other stuff. Loved the whole experience of making this video. Thank you for watching it. And let me know if you have any questions. And also let me know what you think about VITL Farms. Have you learned anything about this company? So let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.